Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mani. So before we get started, yes, my nails are short. I recorded this video actually before I did my Mother's Day mani. So I'm using the colors from Gift of Revel. This is for April 2022. I purchased the whole year. I have Classy and Sassy, and I told you guys I'm going to use my colors that I get in subscription boxes. And so I was going to use my Revel Nail dip liquids, but I couldn't get my base open. I did get it open after I finished this video. I just popped it in some hot water for about 2 to 5 minutes, and I was able to successfully open the bottle. So since I couldn't open it, I did end up switching up to my old time favorites, my Color My World Odorless dip liquids. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. And if you ask, the little tray that, or if you want to know, I shouldn't say if you ask, if you want to know, the little tray I got from a shop on Etsy called Dippin' 3D. It was without the G on the end of dipping, but the shop is closed, and it's been closed for over a year. I don't think the owner is coming back. So it holds your half-ounce jars of dip powder, and it also holds your dip liquid. So yeah, so unfortunately it's no longer open. You can find similar things, but this was the first thing I purchased for my nails off Etsy, and I love it. I use it sometimes, and sometimes that I don't. So like I said, I'm using my Color My World Odorless dip liquids, and so just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. And I do believe I will be using a pipette for the solid color. Nice neutral mint, kind of mint green, and then you have the nice glitter, give you a little bit of sparkle. So I decided to do an ombre of the glitter and the flat color on my index and ring finger. So I'm just using my pipette to apply the solid to half of my nail, and then I'm going to dip my finger or lay it flat in the glitter to get somewhat of an ombre look. I thought it was pretty neat. You guys know I've used a pipette before to do an ombre, and it was kind of easier as well because my nails are shorter. So I'm just patting the glitter down. I'm using my little cuticle cleanup tool that I got off Lantern and Wren to clean up excess dip powder. I have several different types of cuticle cleanup tools. You don't have to have it. You can use a toothpick or you can use an orange wood stick. And so I'm just going back in. I'm repeating that ombre on the other finger. I'm doing the flat color on the other side, tapping off excess, and then I'm going to lay my finger flat in the glitter. Now with my ring finger, I kind of got it too far over at the tip of my nail, and that's okay because we're going to go in and do a second coat on each nail. And then on my middle finger, I'm going to just do the solid glitter. I did, after I finished my second coat, I did go in and encapsulate my nails in Revel Nails Vivian, which is their clear. And then I'm using my Color My World activator to activate the dip powder. I wait about 2 to 5 minutes to give that that activator time to harden the dip powder. And then I would do my filing and buffing off camera. My filing and buffing is done. I'm going in and applying Color My World activator to each nail because I'm going to use the Odorless top coat as my top coat. It dries nice and shiny, so I'm applying the activator. Give that just a few seconds to dry. I'm then going in with my lint-free wipe and just wiping off any excess. No, I don't wait. I just go right in and do it. With the top coat, I'm going to apply 2 coats. First coat, I'm going to apply that to my nail in as few swipes or brush strokes as possible, maybe 3. It's a little easier now that my nails are shorter. And then I'm wiping the brush on my tattoo towel before I place it back into the bottle, just in case I have any leftover activator on my nail. I don't want to contaminate my dip powder top coat. So after the second coat, I'm going to go in, the first coat, sorry, I'm going to go in and apply my second coat. And guys, this dried nice and shiny, no problems at all. So once these dried, see, nice and shiny, y'all know I couldn't leave well enough alone. I had these little cute little bows, and it's a lot of them that came in a wheel that I got off of iGel Beauty's website, I do believe quite some time ago. So I'm going in with Daily Charms Jewelry Gel in a tube, and now I'm applying that to the corner of my thumbnail and my pinky, just to give, add a little something extra. Y'all know I can't leave well enough alone. And so once I get those placed where I want them to be, I'm just using my trusty Color My World tweezers. You would think I'm an ambassador of Color My Worlds, but I am not. I just like her products. And so I'm just using the tweezers to place the bows, and then I will cure for 60 seconds. So once I cured, and by the way, I didn't secure the bow enough on my thumbnail. I went to change my clothes, y'all, and it popped right on off. Anyway, so I'm applying my favorite cuticle oil once my nails have cooled off from being in the lamp. Really not a big deal because I use dip powder top coat. So guys, like this video. If you found value, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel. It is free. YouTube is a little disappointing sometimes. I've had my channel for 2 years now, I think, and I don't have 400-something subscribers. Is that not sad? That is sad. Anyway, maybe I need to do a better job of promoting my channel. But anyway, guys, go ahead and, like I said, like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.